Hi friends, how are you doing today? I am Gayatri from Bar School. I make videos for MSc, BSc students and those students who are preparing for competitive exams in life sciences. Many students asking me how to prepare for CSIR NET, from where to start. We need the guidance. Just like you, I was also wondering some years before where and how to start preparing for CSIR NET exams. If you want to crack CSIR NET exam, then this is the right place. Hey, if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel and press the notification button so you will get notified when I will upload some new videos. So here are the tips and the tricks of to success in exams. Here you go. The first tip is analyze your syllabus. Every student has their own strength and weakness. So if you are preparing for any exam, then first you analyze your syllabus, then select your strength, which module you are strong, then give more focus and concentration to those modules and prepare each and every line. And what is the second point? Choose your books. That's the key factor for preparation of exams. Choosing the correct book. If you want me to make videos on the selection of books for CSIR NET exams in life science, then please do comment below. I will make the video of those. Then third point is the prepare your own notes. If you are taking coaching classes or if you have the study materials, then that's good. But it's highly essential to prepare your own notes. Okay, refer those study materials and the topics from the book and prepare your own note. Then the fourth point is solve previous year questions. By solving the previous year questions, you will get acquainted with the type of question. Sometime in the exam, we are getting the questions which are of paragraph length, and we think that is the very long question, it will be tough, it will take a lot of time to solve it. So we just, without reading the question, we are thinking to give away. Okay, so it's the very important to practice the previous year question. At least you should practice the 5 years previous question. Okay, that will help you to be acquainted with the question, which portion of the question to give more importance and which part we should eliminate. Okay. Then fifth one is the revision. Besides gaining the knowledge, the revision is also essential. As you revise more, then the topic will be memorized. The topic will be memorized and that will help you in exams. Sixth point is time management and decision making. This is the soft skill. In most of the exams, checking your patience, how you are managing your time and how are you taking the decision. In some exams, you will find some questions which are very tough at the beginning. So don't get panic at that time. Just have some patience. Maybe you will get some easier question at the end. So the time management, decision making is the very important during appearing any of the competitive exams. The seventh point is the filling of OMR sheet. Usually the students think that we will answer all the question or solve all the question, then we will fill the OMR sheet at last. But what happens? At last they are running short of time, and because of the anxiety they make silly mistakes. So the best approach to fill the OMR sheet is to solve 5 questions at a time. Okay, then fill the OMR sheet. Then next goes to another 5 questions. Okay, like this way, if you will fill your OMR sheet, then that will be very helpful. These are my tips and the tricks for CSIR NET exams. If you want to say how you prepare for your exams, what are the tips and the tricks you adopted while you are preparing, then please do comment. And at last, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.